Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to add a 3D text animation moving with the camera on a building in After Effects using Camera Tracker. It's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll go to File and import your video. I'll take this video from pixels.com and I will leave it into the description. Drag and drop here, and this is our moving camera like that. Okay, now I'll go to tracker, and if you don't see tracker from here, you can go to window and just check tracker and you will see this. Open it, then I'll go to track camera, just click on it and see. Okay, once it's done, I'll come back to you since it can take a bit of time. Okay, after we finish that, I will go to track point size and I'll increase it a little bit like that. Okay, then I'll go here or this point, okay, and drag your mouse, hold your mouse and drag it like that. Okay, right click and I'll choose create text and camera and see, this is our text. Okay, now I want to put this point into the middle, so I'll go to anchor point, control, double click on it and see. Okay, then I'll press S to decrease it, something like that. Okay, I want to add this text on the building. Okay, now I want to change this text to 3D, so I'll go to composition, settings, 3D render, and make sure that you are on Cinema 4D. Then okay, open text, geometry option, and I'll increase extrusion depth, something like that. Then I'll go to layer, new light as a point, intensity 100%, and okay, and see. Let me increase geometry again, extrusion depth again and see. Okay, now I want to add another text, so let me change it first. I'll go here, Control A, and just type what you want, Control D to copy it, and I'll go here to y-axis and put it down, type your text. Okay, again Control D. Okay, and I'll change it. Okay, something like that. I'll go here and I'll make it smaller. Press S to make it smaller. And here we go. That's all. Okay, let me change also. Make something like that. And I think it's very, very, very easy. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.